Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss? Discuss the topic I square values, I cube values, and I power 4k, I power 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3, and two complex numbers addition, two complex numbers subtraction, and multiplication, division. These are. And z1 plus z2 whole square is equal to z1 square plus z2 square. This some results. Once again I will repeat the I power I square some values. So first of all, I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. I is equal to what? Root of minus 1. So root of minus 1. Next to I cube is equal to I square into I square is into I square is equal to what? Minus 1 into I, that is equal to minus I power 4 is equal to I square into I square, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So I power 5. I power 5 is equal to I power 4 into I power 4 value 1. 1 into I is equal to I. So I power 4k, where k is an integer, negative or positive. K is integer. I power 4k value. I power 4k is equal to 1. No, because I power 4 whole power k. I power 4k is equal to I power 4 whole power k is equal to 1 power k is equal to 1. No. So I power 4 into 1. No. I power 4 value 1. I power 8 1. No. 4 in fourth table. 4 into 3 12 1. No. 4 into 4 16 1. No. 4 into 5 21. No. All fourth table, negative or positive, both in fourth table. All fourth table is 1. No. So I power 4k plus 1 is equal to I power 4k into I power 4k value 1. No. 1 into I is equal to I power 4k plus 2 is equal to I power 4k into I square, 1 into I square is equal to minus 1. No. So that is equal to minus 1. No. So I power 4k plus 3 is equal to I power 4k into I cube. I power 4k value 1. No. I cube value is equal to minus I, that is equal to minus I. The results. Okay na? Next concept to modules and conjugate. Modules and conjugate. Modules and conjugate. Modules and conjugate of complex numbers. So what is the modules? So z is equal to, for example, z is equal to a plus ib. So module z, this is symbol of this one. This is the symbol of modules. Modules z is equal to root of imaginary part plus real part. Real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square. This is the modules of a complex number. Here z is a complex number. The modules of z, the symbol of z is denoted by this one, mod, equal to root of a square plus b square. Here a is equal to real part, b is equal to imaginary part. And conjugate. Next to conjugate. Z is equal to a plus ib. So z bar means conjugate of z. The conjugate, the symbol is bar, z bar. Z bar is nothing but the conjugate of z. This mod z is nothing but modulus of z. Conjugate of z is equal to a plus ib. The conjugate of z bar is equal to a minus ib. Only we have to change the imaginary part sign only, not real part. Don't change real part. Only we have to change imaginary part sign. Plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. Only imaginary part sign must be changed. This is the very important 1 mark question. What is the modulus of z and modulus of z and conjugate of z? These two important results. The conjugate is denoted by bar. The modulus is denoted by modulus. 2 lines. Okay, this one. So let us go to some rules. Following rules. What is the rules? First rule is modulus of z1 into z2 is equal to very important rules. Modulus of z1 into z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Yesterday what was discussed? Root a into root b is equal to root a into b. Root a by root b is equal to root a by b. Here also same. Mod of a into b is equal to mod a into mod b. Mod of a by b is equal to mod a by mod b. Okay, this is the same type. Next conjugate of, this is second rule. Third rule, conjugate of z1 into z2 whole bar is equal to z1 bar into z2 bar. Conjugate of z1 into z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 into conjugate of z2. Next, conjugate of z1 plus or minus z2 is equal to modulus of conjugate of this is the modulus, this is conjugate of z1 plus or minus z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 plus or minus conjugate of z2. Conjugate of z1 plus or minus conjugate of z2. Into divide. This is the fourth one. Next, fifth one, conjugate of z1 by z2. Conjugate of z1 by z2 whole. The total z1 by z2 whole conjugate is equal to conjugate of z1 by conjugate of z2. Once again, this is already discussed. This is the modulus and conjugate of complex number. The z is a complex number. Modulus of z is equal to root of real part whole squares sums of real and imaginary part, o square plus b square. So conjugate, the conjugate of complex number is denoted by bar. The z bar is equal to a plus ib. Z bar is equal to a minus only. Only we have to change the imaginary part sign only. Plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. This is conjugate, very important 1 mark question. Some rules, complex number, some rules. Modulus of z1 into z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into z2. Conjugate of z1 into z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 into conjugate of z2. Modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Conjugate of z1 by z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 by conjugate of z2. So conjugate of z1 plus or minus z1 plus z2 or z1 minus z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 plus or minus conjugate of z2. This is the rules, definition, and some I values, I power any value, I power 100, I power 1000, any I power we have to calculate by using this formula I power 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 by using this one. Okay, this is the result. So we are going to exercise. This is the symbol, modulus symbol. This is conjugate, bar is called bar. This conjugate. This is modulus. Z1, Z2 are complex numbers. Exercise 5.1. Express the following. Express the following complex numbers. Following complex number in the form of a plus ib. What is the definition of complex number? The number is of the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers. So 2 is a real number, 2 is a complex number. Any number is a complex number. Any number. So what is the definition? That number is of the form a plus ib. This type of form is called complex number. So 2 is how complex number? How to complex number? So 2 is equal to 2 plus I into 0. 0 is a real number, 2 is a real number. So this is the form of a plus ib. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0. So 1 by 2, for example, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into plus I into 0. Okay, 2i is equal to 0 plus I into 2. Any number is a complex number. So some complex numbers are given. That complex numbers convert into a plus ib form. Okay. This is the first problem. 5i into minus 5i into minus 3 by 5i. 3 by 5i. This is first into. This is 5 is numerator. This 5 is denominator. So cancel. So minus 3, only constant minus 3. So I into I square. So minus 3 into I square value minus 1. I square value minus 1. Minus 3 into 3 equal to 3. So 3 is converted into a plus ib form. 3 plus I into 0. Second problem, I power 9 plus I power 19. I power 9 plus I power 19. Okay, I power 9. I power 9 is equal to I power 8 into I. So plus this is 1. I square I power 8. So this is I power 18 into I. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 9 is equal to 8 plus 1. 19 is equal to 18 plus 1. So that is equal to I power 8 I square whole power 4 into I plus I square whole power 9 into I. Okay, I square value minus 1 whole power 4 into I plus minus 1 whole power 9 into I. Minus 1 whole power 9 into I. So minus 1 whole power even number. Minus 1 whole power even number is equal to 1. No? Minus 1 whole power odd number is equal to minus 1. So this is 1 into I plus minus 1 into I. This is 0. I minus I. 0. 0 is converted into 0 into 0 plus 0 into I. This one. Or this I square whole power whole square or I power 4 whole square. I power 4 whole square. Okay. Next third one. I power minus 39. I power minus 39 is equal to 1 by I power 39, that is equal to 1 by I power 38 into I power 38 into I. So that is equal to 38 plus 1 39, 1 by 38 I square whole power 19, 19 to 38 into I. Okay, any number is converted into known numbers. I square equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I power 4 is equal to 1, no? I power 5 is equal to minus I, this one. So I square whole power 19, that is equal to 1 by I square value minus 1 whole power 19 into I. So minus 1 whole power 19, 19 is a odd number. Minus 1 whole power odd number is equal to minus 1. So 1 by minus I. So that is equal to E 1 by minus I value, E 1 by I, the denominator we convert into, so that is equal to minus 1 by I divide and multiply, so that is equal to minus I by I into I square. So I square value minus I into I square value minus 1, no, minus minus cancel. So this is I power minus 39 is equal to IA. I power minus 39 is equal to IA. Okay, this one. Next. Three into 7 plus I7. 3 into 7 plus I into 7 plus I into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. 3 into 7 multiply. 3 into 7 21. 3 into 7 21 into I plus 7 into I 7I plus 7 into 7 sorry 3 into 7 21, 3 into 7 21 into I 7 into I 7I plus I into I square 7I square. So that is equal to 21I plus 7I 28I plus 7 into minus 1, because I square is equal to minus 1. 21 minus 7. 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 28I. 14 plus 28i, this one. Okay, here చిన్నదిలా కనబడుతుంది. ఇది మన బోర్డు ఇంకా పెద్దది కావాలి. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ the fifth one is homework. Next sixth one, 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2, 4 plus I into 5 by 2. So first subtraction of two complex numbers. First, this is the real part of first one, this is the real part of second one. First, divide, separate 1 by 5 minus 4. Okay, next 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into I minus 4 minus 5 by 2 into I, minus 5 by 2 into I. First, remove the brackets. Next, real parts, 1 by 5 minus 4 is one bracket plus I common, here I both I terms, imaginary terms, I common, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. This is 1 by 5 minus 4, what LCM? LCM 5, 1 minus 20, 1 minus 20 plus I into 5 to LCM 10, no, this is 4 minus 5 2s 10, 2 5s 25, 1 minus 20 minus 19 by 5 plus I into this 4 minus 24 is equal to 21, minus 21 by 10, no, or minus common or minus of 19, A plus IB form. So minus 19 by 5 plus same. Here what is A? This is A, this is B. A is equal to minus 19 by 5, B is equal to minus 21 by 7. This is one. Next, seventh one. This is a big bracket, 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3. This is this one bracket plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3. This is another bracket. Close the big bracket. minus 4 by 3 plus I, minus 4 by 3 plus I. First we have to calculate the first two small bracket, and next this one, because this is the one bracket, this is one term, this is second term. These two terms have the own big bracket. So big bracket 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus of minus plus 4 by 3 minus into plus minus I. So 1 by 3 plus 4, 1 by 3 plus 4, real part, separate the real part and imaginary part, I common. 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus I. 1 by 3 plus 4, this is the 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. 13 by 3 plus I into LCM 3, 7 plus 1 no, minus 4 by 3 minus I, minus into minus plus minus of minus 4 by 3, so minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, okay, minus plus 4 by 3 minus. So here 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3 separate plus I common, 7 plus 1, 8 by 3 minus 1. So 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is 13 plus 4, 17 by 3, LCM 3, same LCM, 13 plus 4, 17, 8 by 3 plus I into 5 by 3. This is LCM 3, 8 minus 3, 5 by 3. So what is A? What is B? A is equal to 17 by 3 and B is equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Okay. Write down. Next, 1 minus I whole power 4. Eighth problem, 1 minus I whole power 4. A minus B whole square formula is there. A minus B whole cube formula is there. A minus B whole 4 formula is also there. But this is very easy and repeated formula. Repeating formula, A minus B whole square, A minus B whole square is repeating formula. Okay. So 1 minus A minus B whole square formula is there, but difficult. So, E 1 minus I whole power 1 by whole power 4 is converted into 1 minus I whole square into 1 minus I whole square, or directly apply the, you have to apply the, we can apply the A minus whole square formula, or this is the normal procedure without using the A minus whole square formula. So, A minus B whole square, A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2AB. Okay, clear? This is also a square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 I square is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. 1 minus 1 minus 2i. So 1 cancel, 1 cancel. So minus 2i into minus 2i. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 4 I into I square. So 4 into I square value minus 1. That is equal to minus 4. The minus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus I into 0. This is the answer of 1 minus I whole power 4 value is minus 4. This one. Next, 9th problem. 1 by 3 plus 3i. 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube is a problem, is homework. So another one, this is same way. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3i. 10th problem. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3i whole cube. Okay, I will explain this one. 9th one is homework. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3i. So what is the a minus b whole cube formula? A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab square plus 3a square b. This is the a minus b whole cube formula. A cube minus b cube. This is a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab square plus 3a square b. Here a is equal to what? Minus 2. B is equal to 1 by 3i. The first of all, a cube minus 2 whole cube minus b cube minus b cube. 1 by 3 here, this is a, this is b. 1 by 3i whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3 a is equal to minus 2 a b square is equal to 1 by 3i whole square, 1 by 3i whole square plus 3a square a is equal to minus 2 into b, 3a square into b, 1 by 3 into a. So minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus 8. So minus 1 by 3 whole cube, 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 9 into 27, 27 I cube is equal to minus I cube is equal to I square into I minus I. Next, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9 no, I square value minus 1 no. So plus 3 into 4 minus 2 whole square 4 into 1 by 3 I. The 3 cancel. Next 3 2s 3 3s. So that is equal to minus 8 plus minus into minus plus I by 27. So this is plus into minus minus 2 by 3 is 2 is 3 and plus 4i, 3 cancel 4i. So minus 8 real parts, minus 8 minus 2 by 3 is one side plus I common, plus I common means 1 by 27 plus 4. So LCM 3 LCM minus 24 minus 2 plus I into this is 27 LCM 1 plus 27 into 4 81 27 into 4 so 4 7 28 4 into 2 8 10 108 80 plus 108. So that is equal to minus 26 by 3 plus I into 109 by 27. This one. Okay. minus 22 by 3 minus 22 by 3 minus 107 by 27. A cube minus 8 minus 1 by 27 into I cube is equal to minus 8 minus 3a minus plus 6 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 into I square value minus 1 plus 3 into 4 into 1 by 3 3ab square. So minus a2 plus I by 27 3 2 so 3 3 so minus 2 by 3 plus 4i. So minus a2 minus 2 by 3 ఇవి 24 26 108 plus 1 by 27 plus 4i plus 3a square b. 3a square b means 4b is equal to 1 by 3 minus 22 అంటే ఇది plus 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 3ab square 1 by 3 whole square minus 3a ఫార్ములా అనుకుంటా a cube minus b cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 3a square b. Formula a cube minus b cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b. So minus is to minus a2 minus 1 by 27 into I next to plus e minus a minus plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 and this is minus 3 cancel minus 4ia minus 4 plus this is minus with plus minus 22 107 minus 107 this formula. Okay, tomorrow some more problems, some more different problems tomorrow I will explain. Okay, thank you.